Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Muntazir Hussain. If you are a book lover, then today video is especially for you because in today's video I am gonna show you how you can download book in PDF for free. In my previous session, I have shown you how you can download article in PDF from Sci-Hub website freely. In one of my other videos, I have shown you how you can download book as well as article from Library Genesis domain. I have also shown you how you can download book in PDF from website that is PDF Drive. In today's video, I am interested to show you how you can download article as well as ebook from one of the largest online library that is Z Library. So Z Library is one of the best online source from which you can download book as well as article for free in PDF. Z Library provides the important feature that you can download book as well as article without creating an account with the Z Library. Z Library contains a large number of collections with different categories such as drama, businesses, biography, fiction, health, technology, engineering, and many more. Besides downloading your desired book from Z Library, you can also publish your article, magazine, as well as book with the Z Library. Now I will show you how you can download book or article from Z Library. So just write Z Library in the search bar and then click on the first option that is Z Library, the world's largest e-book library. So as you can see, this is the front view of Z Library. You can search for a specific book. You can also search for article. And furthermore, you can sign up to have some more feature. For example, to convert the book from one format to another format and to download more number of books. According to the data provided by the Z Library, more than 6 million of e-book are available currently. More than 18 articles are available right now. And furthermore, the number of books and articles are updated day by day. If you are looking for a book, then just click on this books. And if you are looking for research article, then click on this articles. So for example, I'm interested to search for a book, so just click on this book, and this is the search bar for ebook. You can search for title, author name, ISBN number, that is internet standard book number, as well as for publisher, etc. And furthermore, you can also search by entering the text. You can also take on this match appraise. It will match the text that is entered in the search bar. And furthermore, you can take this match word, so it will search for a book that match the word which you have entered in the search bar. And furthermore, you can search for the exact matching. You can also set the year from, year to, language of the book, and furthermore, you can search for a specific format as well, that is PDF, EPUB, DGVU, and text, RAR, and many more. For example, I'm interested to search for a book that is Power Electronics by MD Singh. So just write the name of that book. You can also write the author name as well in the search bar in order to have more precise search. So as you can see, as a result, the book that is Power Electronics by MD Singh is shown below. And furthermore, many other books that are available on the Power Electronics are also shown over here. For example, this is the book that is Fundamental of Power Electronics. And the next book is Power Electronics Control in Electrical System. Power Electronics, Introduction to Solid State Power Electronics. So as you can see, multiple books on power electronics written by different authors are shown as a result over here. And according to the data, more than 500 books are available on the same topic. So I'm interested to download the book that is Power Electronics by MD Singh. And as you can see, the publishing year is 2010. The language is English and the book is available in PDF. So I will just click on this title of the book, and as you can see, now my book Power Electronics is now ready to download. This provides the detailed feature of the book, that is the publishing year, languages, ISBN number, file, size of the file, format of the file, publisher, pages, and many more. You can also preview the book. You can send to the Kindle or email. And furthermore, you can save the book in order to download or read later on. So I'm interested to download the book in PDF. So I will just click on this blue button. So as you can see, the book in PDF is now ready to download. I will just click on Start Download. So as you can see, my book is now downloaded and is now ready to open. I have downloaded this book, that is Power Electronics second edition by MD Singh, and the book is pretty much in good quality. So now I will show you how you can download a research article from Z Library. So just by clicking articles. So this is the search bar for searching research article. You can search for writing title of the paper, author of the paper, and DOI of the paper, and furthermore you can also search by writing the name of the journal. So for example, I am looking for research article that is robust anti-wind-up compensator for one-sided Lipschitz system subjected to input saturation and application in the search bar, and then click on this search button. So as you can see, the search article is shown over here. That is the robust anti-wind-up compensator for one-sided Lipschitz system subjected to input saturation and application. These are the author of this research paper, and the journal of research paper is IEEE Transaction on Industrial Electronics. The year of publishing is 2018, and the publishing language is English, and the paper is available in PDF, and this is the size of the paper. So just by clicking this title, you will be directed to download the research paper. These are the characteristics, and as you can see, the paper is now ready to download. So just by clicking this blue button, the paper will be ready to download. So just by clicking start download, the paper will be downloaded. So as you can see, the paper is now downloaded in PDF. That is the robust anti-wind-up compensator for one-sided Lipschitz system subjected to input saturation and application, and the journal is IEEE Transaction on Industrial Electronics. Z Library also provides the feature that you can search for specific authors. So for example, if I write my own name, so it will show all the published work which I have published in different journal as well as different publisher. So as you can see, these are the paper which I have published in different journal. So for example, this paper, I have published this paper in neurocomputing, and I have published this paper in IEEE International Conference, and I have published this paper in Journal of Franklin Institute. Thank you very much for your valuable time. If you have any question or query, please let me know via comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you very much.